what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Digitonic One. All right, guys, I got 8 of these Cash Explosion 10X ticket from the world famous Ohio Lottery. I got 70 all the way up to 77, so I guess that's 8 of them. Yeah, that's 8 of them. All right. You guys know the drill on these. The matching numbers game down here. And we got the bonus section. If you get a 5X or a 10X, you can get a 5X or 10X. Or if you get an entry down here, it's an entry to the TV game show. Let's roll on these and see what they've got on them. The bonus section on ticket number 70. A 5X. 5Xer. Winning numbers. So anything we win down here is 5 times the money. 17 and a 30. 27, number 9, 24, the number 4, and a 12. All right. Rolling on. 11, 2, number 6, number 3, and a 14. So no love on that one. No love on that one. Ticket number 71, full of fun. The bonus section, it's a 1X, 1X. Winning numbers, 26 and a 13, 12, 15, a 2, 13. Oh, we got a winner. We've got a winner. On ticket 71, let's see, got one win there. It's 13, 18, 28, 21, 24, and a 13 again for $1 and $1. All right, $2 win. Ticket number 72, the bonus section. A 1X bonus. The winning numbers 28 and 27. Here we go. 30, 21. Oh, we got a winner, back-to-back winners, 27. 23 and a 28. Ooh, that's 2 wins, 27 and 28 there. The number 2, 22, 15, 13, and a 17. All right. Ooh, $4. Ooh, $5 winner. Nice little $5 winner. All right. Very nice, very nice. Let's see if we can go back to back to back. The bonus section on ticket 73. Ooh, an entry ticket to the TV game show. Yes, an entry ticket to the TV game show. So there won't be any winners, any cash winners on this. What this is just I put this in, and if I am lucky, it will get picked for the TV game show, which happens on Saturday nights at 7:30. All right. 21, number 8, 14, and a number 3. All right. So we got an entry ticket. All right. Ticket number 74, knocking on the door. Can we get some moolah going? Let's see, we've got, what was that, $7 so far in an entry ticket. A 1X on 74, a 12, and a 21. 12 and 21, got a 9er, a 2, a 6, 29, and a 21. 20, 23, 21. Oh, we got a winner. Oh, my goodness. Back to back to back to back there. And a 12, 21, and a 12. Let's see if we can find something good here. Can we find something fantastic? Nope, just a buck and a buck. All right, we'll take it. Alrighty. Ticket number 75. The bonus section. A 5Xer. All right, the winning numerals. A 7 and a 20. 7 and 20. Got an 18, a 22, a 30, 17, and a number 4. 29, number 3, 21, a 2, and a number 9. All right, no love on that one. Okay, we got 76 there. All right, 76. The bonus section. Ooh, another entry ticket. Wow. 2 entry tickets. Very nice. The winning numbers, a 3 and a 30. 3 and a 30. Number 8, 12, 16, 19, and a 27. 27. All right, 11, 22, number 2, 17, and a number 9. Alrighty. So we got the entry. They get the entry on that one. That's the second entry. All right, ticket number 77. The bonus section. Ooh, a 10Xer. Ooh, 10 times the money. Ooh, can we get a $10 winner? Maybe a $100 winner? That would be very nice. Ew, 26 and a 24. 26 and 24. Got a 4, a 20, 25, 18, 29, 22, 19, 15, 13, and a 30. So no love on the 10X. Oh, well, that's all right. That is all right. Because we've got these here. We got this one here for 2. And then we had this one for 5. So that's 7. And 8 and 9. 9 and an entry there. And then an entry there. All right, not too bad for $16. Not too bad for $16. Got 9 of it back and 2 entry tickets. I can't complain about that. All right. Thank you all for watching. Thank you so much. And let's see. I think that's about it. That is about it. And I will talk to you soon. Digitonic 1, over and out.